Hi, I would like to give a quick recap and a bit of an update on how to submit your videos and also what to expect on the video presentation sessions and what I'm expecting from you. So the final 2 weeks of the course, that's weeks 11 and 12, will be dedicated to your presentations of your work to each other. And please do all come along, even in the sessions where you are not presenting, because first of all, those videos will be really enjoyable to watch. They should be a real highlight of the course and really memorable and nice to watch together. And of course, you will be learning a lot from each other. So I will expect everybody to be there, even on the sessions where you are not presenting. I will give you some feedback in the sessions about your videos, but I will give you official written feedback within 2 weeks of you submitting your video officially. Now, there is guidance in the MOLE website on exactly how to submit your video, and so you should watch that video guidance carefully and do exactly what's said, and send us a link to a Google folder in which we will find your video. Everybody in your group needs to submit the video. Don't just pick one person and say, oh, they can do it for all of us. Each of you needs to individually send the link to the video that you have been involved in, please. And that way we know that all of you have taken responsibility for that submission. You need to submit by Friday the 16th of December. That's the Friday after the final presentations. But of course you can submit before then. That's absolutely fine. And you might like to do that just in case there's any glitches at the time. It's good to plan ahead. At the video session, when you present your videos, I'd like each group to give me a copy of the form which describes what each person's contribution to the work has been. And that's a signed form, signed by everybody, so that I know that each group is happy with what everybody's done and that there's been equal responsibility taken in the making of the videos. Don't forget that lecture recordings are available in MOLE, so that if you do miss a session, you can look in that folder, lecture recordings, and catch up on what you missed. Last week I covered some theories that will be very helpful to you in thinking about what you've discovered and what you've been exploring on your project, on your research projects. So have a look at that video if you weren't there last week. Have a look at the lecture recording and have a look at the PowerPoint in MOLE, because you will find that there are theories described which will be relevant to the work that you've been doing and that you might well benefit from hearing about, so that you can mention them in your video. If you have not included text on your video, giving references, saying what work you've referred to and thanking people, and attributing credit maybe to music that you've used, etc. You can put all those references on screen in text, or if you have forgotten to do that, if you've completed your video and you've forgotten to do that, you can provide a supplementary document, Word document, that you'll include in your submission when you submit your video. Okay, that's it. Hope that's helpful, and I'll see you on Thursday.